According to psychology, laughing during serious or tense situations isn't a sign of disrespect. It's actually a sign of high emotional intelligence. You're not heartless. Your brain simply processes emotions differently. This reaction is called the incongruity effect, and it's surprisingly common among highly intelligent people. Smarter minds tend to feel and analyze emotions on multiple levels at once. So instead of freezing or breaking down, your brain releases laughter as a way to cope. It's not immaturity, it's complexity. When you laugh at funerals, during arguments, or in uncomfortable silence, it's not because you don't care. It's because your brain is trying to manage emotional overload, to break tension, self-soothe, or create distance from pain. What others see as a flaw is actually a hidden strength. You're not broken. You just understand emotions too deeply for your own peace.